Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M14 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to start with opening the keyboard, and we can do it in any app you want to, which of course will provide you with a keyboard. So the messages, apps, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen, just like here. And as you can see, all we have to do right now is to simply enter the settings, which should appear on this option bar. Let's tap on languages and types, and as you can see, I do have the Spanish language. So let's add another one. Tap on manage input languages, because I don't really want to have the Spanish one, I want English. So in order to turn off particular language, we have to tap on this switcher. So I'll show you it right now. Let me add the English one. So just turn it on just by tapping on the switcher and turn off the Spanish. All right, let me add another language, because I'd like to show you the actual difference in the keyboards and how to change between them. So let me pick Arabic. The same situation, just tap on the switcher. Now we can go back, and as you can see, it immediately appears right here, which simply means that it is the list of currently applied languages. What's more, we've got an additional option, a language switching method. Let me tap on it, and as you can see, we've got 3 different options, so the language key, spacebar swipe, and both. And I will pick both options in order to also show you how it works. So right now we can go back to the keyboard, and basically we've got right now one difference. It is the globe icon, which appears right here. It is simply a language key which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can switch to the Arabic one. And we've got also the spacebar swipe, so let's try it. And as you can see, it will also change the language. So basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard, and I've previously shown you how to remove the language by removing the Spanish one. So again, tap on manage input languages and simply turn it off just by using the switcher. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy M14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.